Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a TradingView account. First, navigate to the TradingView website and locate the Join for Free button. You can sign up using your email, Google, Facebook, or other social accounts. Choose a strong password and agree to the terms of service. Once registered, you'll receive a confirmation email to verify your account. This initial setup is quick and grants you access to essential charting tools. After logging in, take some time to explore the platform's layout. You'll find various tools for technical analysis, including different chart types and drawing instruments. Customize your charts by adding indicators like moving averages or RSI. You can also change color schemes and timeframes. Remember to save your layouts so your preferred settings are always ready for your next session. Personalize your TradingView experience by creating watch lists for stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets you follow. This keeps your most important instruments easily accessible. Engage with the vibrant TradingView community by sharing ideas or following other traders. You can also access a wealth of real-time market data, news feeds, and economic calendars, all designed to enhance your trading decisions. To maximize your TradingView use, delve into advanced charting tools like custom scripts and backtesting. Set up price alerts to notify you of significant market movements, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Consider exploring premium features if you need more indicators, multiple charts, or extended historical data. Also, for a fresh perspective on financial wisdom, check out the book mentioned in the description, along with other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.